everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for another video. Today I'm going to use the new Lovely Summer sticker book from Planything to decorate a spread. This one has just really cute stickers, and I feel like even this one, it's not too summery, so yeah, there's some good stickers to use from here to decorate this simply layout over here. Oh, look how cute these are. Okay, these are adorable. Definitely want to do a little food truck. Oh, there's a taco truck. That's super cute. So yeah, I'm just gonna decorate a spread, make it fun. This week is a 3-day weekend, so that's exciting. Have some fun plans. So I'm gonna use, oh, actually I kind of want to use the donut one. I like the colors. Let's do the donut. This Simply layout is really nice because it's like its name is simple. It's simple. Just has sections for each of the days here. This section is nice. I never use it but you can use it for maybe like food planning, meal planning, whatever kind of schedule you want here. You just kind of focus in on that for the week up there, and then just write in all your plans during the week. Definitely can do that. Look at these, they're so cute. Let me grab some boxes. And these are nice because I can put them like on a few days, which is good. Like you could use this as a weekend sticker. And then maybe a little circle. And then I get a little decorative sticker, maybe. Oh, there's little doggies and kitties. Okay, maybe I'll do one of the girls. I'll do this girl. So I like the colors. Oh, actually, this one's cute. I have her like sitting on top. I'll do this one. Adorable. So if you're interested in purchasing this book, it is still available from Planything. I have Planything's site linked down in my description. I have a discount code. Okay, I'm definitely putting a kitty cat because I love little kitties. But yeah, you can check that out down in the description. Put the kitty here. Oops. Got something underneath it. Okay, perfect. Adorable. And then maybe I can do a girl, like the girl sitting on the bench. Cute, cute, cute. Okay. And then I could put a dog. Put the dog on the page. Should I put the dog over here? He's just hanging out there. See? Cute. Oh, there's little versions. That's nice. I could have used those. I didn't realize those were in there. I really like these banners. These are fun. So this week, 3-day weekend, I'm gonna do some fun things with family, so I'm excited for that. Yeah, just gonna enjoy having 3 days off from work. I'm gonna try to sleep in because I never do that. Like on the weekends, I always wake up way too early. Like I wake up earlier than I need to for work. For work, I need to be up by 6. And I struggle every morning. I'm exhausted. I'm not a morning person, so not fun. But on the weekend, for some reason, I just cannot sleep in. And I wake up even earlier than I normally wake up during the week. I'll usually get up at like 5, and then I'm like wide awake and I'm like ready to go. I think because I just have a lot of things I need to do, so I don't want to waste time sleeping, but I need sleep, so yeah, I need to get some sleep this week. I'm so tired. I'm gonna put some boxes, like there's all these awesome boxes, and I love the color palette here. So yeah, let me know what you're doing this week, if you're doing anything fun, if you have it off for 3 days. Because I know when I worked retail, definitely didn't have it off, so I'm grateful that now I have all this time off during the holidays, which is nice. Okay, I'm gonna put a couple bullet points, and I feel like this spread is good to go. I like to use these sheets on like busier weeks, and I've been very busy recently, so these are always nice to have. So look how adorable that is. I mean, I could stick some washi down. I have this fun scalloped washi from Planything, because Planything comes out with awesome stickers and accessories and all the things. So definitely check out Planything's site. I'm gonna grab a little washi card and put some washi down. So I really like the scallops. Kind of finishes off the spread too, which is nice. Like a little border. I feel like that completes the spread. Okay, how adorable is that? Super, super cute. All right, so that's Lovely Summer. Even though it's a summer book, this feels kind of springy, so I like that. But that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed watching and me create this spread. Again, if you're interested in purchasing this book, also washi, amazing washi, that's all on Planything's website. I have a discount code, again, down in the description, so definitely use that code if you plan on purchasing. But that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next video.